Hello friend, when you receive the machine, here you need to connect the power cable. Here is a switch, turn on. And here, rotate out. Fiber laser, scan head, turn on. And here, open cover. This is the dongle. Need to keep insert. This U-disc is dongle. And turn on PC. Okay. Turn on PC. Okay, PC is turned on. Find this software and turn on the software. Okay, software is turned on. Here, this go to. Is machine go to origin. Click this go to. Click this go to. Machine will origin. Go to. You will find the axis is move up faster. And y-axis, x-axis origin. The y-axis origin. That's okay. This value is move step. You can set a number, set 10. Okay, then you can move Y. Click. You will find Y will move back. Click here, X. You will find X-axis move as this. And here Z. And here Z-axis, you need to pay attention. Click this is Z move down. Like this. You will find Z move down. And click this is Z move up. Okay, then click this go to. Is the axis go to focus. Click go to. You will find Z. Okay, it stopped automatically. Then we need to use a ruler. Mode. Because we need a mark on this, so we need a mirror from this, from here to this line. Need to keep 394.5. This line need to keep 394.5 millimeter. If the focus is not right, we can set from software. From here, layer, Clear parameters. Here, part height. We can set this number. The axis will move up. Set. Click go to. Click go to. You will find the axis move up a little. If here you set this, if it has below 10, set, and then click go to. Click go to. You will find the axis move up 10 millimeter. Okay, after we adjust the focus distance, after we adjust this focus distance is 3.394.5 millimeter. That's okay. Focus distance is adjusted successfully. And here you can make design. Make a design. And delete this design. Here you can offset 5 to in. Okay. You will find here. Choose this and group and combine. Then click this hatch, ring hatch. Choose the loop hatch and loop positive 0.05. Okay. Then move. You will find here. This is group and this is combine. This is a code line. Move. You will find here. This is not useful. We can delete. You will find here on this. On have this. And move to here a location. Make sure your design is at this rectangle. If your design at this rectangle, it will not out of the working area. If not, if you put here, it will out of the working area. It will block the limit. Put here. And then click hotkey. You will find this is red square. It will mark on here. This is not okay. We need to move. So we move here. Okay. Here, choose mark select. Only current layer. Mark select. Hotkey. Here it will mark here. That's okay. And clear here pin parameters. Pin parameters. Use default, not use default. You can change this speed, style, source and power tone. And then click here, mark, it will mark. It will first go to orange and then mark.